I feel like I just got an instant boob job.
Yeah. So if you have a favorite bra, but you just really want more volume, these are great.
What are some ways we can make our breasts appear bigger than they naturally are? I'm Sophie, your host, and I'm here with Vlada, one of our designers here at Honeylove, and we're taking you behind the scenes and bringing you into our actual offices. If you love expert bra content, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome to the design room.
Today, we're demonstrating how to make your boobs look bigger. If you want access to this info in written form, check out the blog post linked below in the description box.
Okay, let's dive in.
All right, so Vlada, what are some ways we can make our breasts appear bigger than they naturally are?
Okay, so first option is a classic one. It's going to be a push-up bra. So because of the amount of padding this has, it's really going to give you a nice, great lift, a great shape. And what we love about these is they come in a variety of different kind of push-up levels. So you can have a little bit of a lift, or you can have this great va-va-voom that gives you 1 or 2 cup sizes up. So you'll really get that kind of lift and push together for that really super sexy cleavage.
Amazing. Well, let's meet up with our model, Melissa, and test it out. I'm here in the brand room with our gorgeous model, Melissa, who's going to try out these hacks for making your boobs look bigger. So the first thing we're going to have you try is a push-up bra.
Love a push-up.
All right, so Melissa, you are back wearing the classic push-up bra. How do you feel?
I feel very pushed up. I feel fun, playful. It's obviously drawing a lot of attention. So this is something I'm going to definitely wear out going out, or where I want to get a lot of attention.
Amazing. So the push-up bra is doing its job, and it definitely makes your boobs look bigger. So Vlada, what else can we do to enhance our bust size?
Okay, so another trick up our sleeve are these amazing little padded kind of bra inserts. So these are adhesive on both the inner and outer sides. So these are amazing because they give you so much versatility with what outfits you wear them with. You can either wear them just by themselves by adhering it to your skin and getting that really nice kind of lift and cleavage, or you can even stick them in an existing bra. So if you have a favorite bra, but you just really want more volume, these are great.
Awesome. Well, let's meet up with Melissa and give these a try. All right, so Melissa, you're back wearing a already pretty low cut top, but we're gonna take it to the next level with these removable bra inserts. And as you can see, they're really sticky on either side and they're pretty hefty. So this should really amplify your cleavage. All right, so Melissa, you are back wearing the bra inserts. How do you feel?
I feel like I just got an instant boob job.
Yeah. How was it to put in? Was it easy? How does it feel to wear?
It was super easy. You just place it right in. It feels really supported and it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. The adhesive is stuck. It's there to stay.
Okay, great. So 10 out of 10 hack. Okay, Vlada, what is your last tip to make your boobs look bigger?
Okay, so last tip is going to be great because I think most of us already own this stuff. So if you have some bronzers or contour powders at home, this is going to be super easy. You're going to take your cream bronzer first because this will kind of give you that nice little outline in a C shape. So you go kind of around your breast where you want the cleavage, and then you're going to lock it in with something that's a powder. So this will really help it kind of last longer. And again, it gives you that nice, almost like shaded contour. So it just looks super natural.
Ooh, I love this trick. Well, let's meet up with Melissa and demo this one. So for our last trick, we're going to use makeup to create the illusion of bigger cleavage.
Ooh, fun.
So I'm going to grab some contour makeup and we're going to do this together. So I have with me here 2 products. One is a cream product and one is a powder product. So we're going to start with the cream contour and then we're going to set it with the powder. Sound good?
Yep.
Okay, cool. So we will take a thin line of contour and start right here in between and go around, and we can make this look bigger with a brush. So you will buff it out, and the idea is to create shadows that would be naturally occurring to give the appearance of extra cleavage. So now that we have the cream setting, we will follow up with powder. And there you have it. So obviously you can keep blending until it feels really natural and looks right to you. You can also experiment with the placement and the amount of product, but the idea is that it's going to give you, especially at night, the real illusion of extra cleavage without actually changing the size of your breasts. So Melissa, do you feel like this is something you would try at home?
Yeah, absolutely. It was super easy, obviously very effective, so I'm definitely going to give it a try.
Cool. Big thank you to Melissa for testing out these hacks, and thank you, Vlada, for your expert bra knowledge. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the description box below for a link to our blog. We'll see you next week.
Bye.
Thanks so much for watching Bra Talk with Honeylove.
If you need more information, go ahead and click the link below.
Got questions, comments, feedback? Leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.
And as always,
Just say no to bad bras.